Simplify your soap odors with State Grunge Fighter, the perfect soap for the shop. Grunge Fighter is a specially formulated, heavy-duty hand cleaner that removes dirt, grease, and grime. The powerful cleaner is also effective in removing ballpoint penning. This versatile hand soap cleans your hands without pumice or abrasives, which can work their way into cuts on hands and irritate sensitive skin. Grunge Fighter is dilutable with equal parts water for use in areas where an even lighter hand cleaner is preferred. Grunge Fighter's powerful surfactant system contains no petroleum distillates or harsh solvents that dry or leave a harsh odor on your skin, and is enriched with lanolin to condition hands and prevent drying, chapping, or cracking, which helps fight industrial dermatitis. The light lime fragrance is a refreshing change from the unpleasant odors common to many industrial hand cleaners. The light scent does not leave a heavy perfume odor. Grunge Fighter, when paired with the rugged State Soap Factory Senior Dispenser, is great for use in maintenance shops, garages, factories, and anywhere else a formidable hand cleaner is needed. State Grunge Fighter, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.